One name stands out in plastic manufacturing: EDDY Pump. Join us on a journey through the impact of EDDY Pump's cutting-edge technology on the plastic industry, the plastic industry's unsung hero. The plastic industry is a world of innovation, but EDDY Pump quietly transforms behind the scenes. Unleashing slurry pumps. Let's start by exploring our slurry pump's versatile power, a plastic industry driving force. Raw material transfer becomes seamless as our submersible pumps efficiently move plastic pellets and additives, keeping production stages in perfect harmony. Pelletizing operations. As plastic melts into your everyday products, slurry pumps take the lead, transporting molten plastic for pelletizing into the shapes we love. Waste handling. Say goodbye to waste management headaches. Our submersible pumps manage waste like pros: disposal or recycling. Mixing operations, the perfect blend for your plastic compounds. Our submersible pumps ensure material homogeneity, making your products shine. Cooling system, circulation. Keep it cool. EDDY Pump's submersible pumps maintain optimal temperatures by circulating cooling fluids in plastic processing equipment. Chemical additions, precision is critical. Our pumps accurately inject additives into plastic mixtures, improving material properties. Handling abrasive slurries. In a world of abrasion, our pumps handle even the toughest plastic slurries, contributing to wear-resistant linings. Plastic sheet formation. EDDY Pump's slurry pumps transfer recycling compounds for flawless sheet production for all your plastic goods. Plastic coating application, smooth as silk. Our pumps evenly distribute plastic coatings, enhancing the magic of your products. Quality testing. When quality matters, our submersible pumps transport plastic samples for rigorous quality and performance testing. Dewatering, the power of dryness. Slurry pumps remove excess water, perfecting the quality of your plastic products. Mold lubrication. It's all about the perfect release. Our pumps distribute mold release agents, ensuring smooth plastic product release. Recycling processes. From the start to the end, EDDY Pump's submersible pumps manage particles during plastic recycling, promoting resource efficiency. Environmental compliance for cleaner waters. Our slurry pumps could be the key to cleaning affected water bodies if plastic production generates wastewater with sediment. Hydraulic dredging. Now let's dive into the world of hydraulic dredging, where EDDY Pump's expertise extends even further. Raw material sourcing. If plastic manufacturing involves sourcing materials from water bodies, hydraulic dredging could ensure accessibility for material collection. Water resource management. Maintain those water resources. Hydraulic dredging helps manage sediment and keeps water reservoirs pristine for plastic production processes. Waste disposal areas. Where there's waste, there's a way. Hydraulic dredging could be employed to manage waste containment areas for proper disposal. Waterway accessibility, keeping the way clear. Hydraulic dredging ensures navigable access for transporting raw materials or finished products to plastic manufacturing facilities near water bodies. In a world driven by plastic, EDDY Pump's slurry pumps and hydraulic dredging are the silent heroes, ensuring efficient production, responsible waste management, and sustainable practices across the plastic industry. Ready to join the plastic revolution? Connect with EDDY Pump today and experience the future of plastic manufacturing. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.